What I wanted to make is a push block. Again, not much thought here. I just need to make something that's sacrificial. So I'm gonna go look in the scrap pile here and see what I can find. It'll work out fine right here. It looks perfect. It's been sitting here for probably a year. So I just want a big push block that I can run down here. I'm gonna make a handle here. That way, when I'm on this side, I'm not running into the fence and I can run it down the fence. Repeat, do the same thing to this side, and then we'll start drawing out the lines after that to figure out the dimensions of it. I'm just going to rip off about a 1/4 inch. Just going to throw this up here. The only important part here, I'm going to mark this line, is because I'm going to want my handle like an inch down so I can grab it so my hand's not, the hole's not below the fence. So yep, that looks good. Let's see how this looks. So I'm just going to measure an inch down and mark a line at the top of this. Don't think too, I'm thinking too much. I'm thinking too much. That looks good there. Alright, everything's set up. Now we're just gonna run it through. Alright, there you go. Looking pretty good. Like I said, not too much thought. So all I'm gonna do here, these edges are a bit sharp. I'm gonna run them through, and I got a chamfer bit in here from the project here. So again, I got a router here. Another thing I made on my laser. This can pop out. You know, you can use as a router. Using it, it can sit. It can sit on the workstation. Just falls back into place here. Here, we'll set it up. Alright, you can see a lot better with that shaped edge. I got my marking where I want to put my handle. I'm just going to cut 2 holes out, and then I'm going to use the my jigsaw just to hog that out, and then maybe I'll run the router. I hogged that out. He's the Forstner bit, and then she's the jigsaw. I mean, you can leave it as just that, it'd be fine. Just run it through the chamfer over here. But I'm just gonna see how this template works. So I'm just gonna, you can see there's a little ledge in here. I'm gonna use a pattern bit, but I'll just staple this on with this pin nailer, and then we'll take it over there and try to route it out. right, so it's maxed out. It looks pretty good, but the problem is I still got a lip on the bottom. So I'm using a pattern bit. I can't use the bearing, so I'm just going to pop this off. Then I can just continue. I can use this as the pattern. Hopefully I can get down far enough. We'll see. Actually, I found a bit. It should work. It's going to work fine. And I got my other router, so. All right, that was easy. It wasn't much to hog out. The handle came out perfect. I'm just going to run it back through this chafer bit, because these edges, you can see, are kind of sharp, and then we'll go from there. I put a big shaper on there, but it looks pretty good to me. I just gotta need to figure out what I'm gonna do for the foot. Either cut that out or just glue a piece on there. Let me think about it for a minute. Hole cut in, chafers. What I want to make here is a sacrificial adjustable boot in the back. I made this with my laser, but it'll be something similar to this, you know, with the groove in the middle. Then you can tighten it down, and then you can pick the width adjustable. So if I'm running real thin, you know, 1/4 inch or less plywood, I can adjust there. If I'm running 3/4, I can adjust it to that. So this will, I mean, and I just wanted a piece that's going to be easily replaceable. Already marked out the holes here. I'm just going to drill it out and then use these inserts. After I thought about this one, I forgot I stuck there's a slot on here, the one I made with my laser, so it fits into this track. That's why you only need 1 bolt. Then this slides on the little nipple. So I'm going to copy this design for this, because really I only need 1 bolt. I didn't need this hole here, and basically I just needed this wooden dowel. This will ride. The track will ride on that. It's a 1/4 inch wood dowel, and then we're using a 1/4 inch bolt here, 1 1/4, and then this is to center is 2 inches. All right, this rides, and then once you lock it down, this baby's good to go. It ain't moving nowhere. All right, you can see when I got it all the way bottomed out, it's not even, it's perfect. An 1/8 is perfect. All right, let's just finish this off.